Good morning, afternoon, whatever time it is you children are looking at this video. I hope everyone's doing good today. So for Monday the 8th, we are starting a new unit, which is going to be World Religions. This is going to be a super quick one, and we are going to do a different religion each day and then take a quiz next Monday. So we'll do Buddhism, Judaism, Islam, Christianity, teacher workday on Friday, and Monday we will take a quick quiz to start off quarter 4. Today, you're going to start by looking at Buddhism, which is very, very close to Hinduism, which is the last religion we studied in our last unit, Ancient India. So today, you are going to make a copy of this document, and you're going to answer all of these questions today during class time using the different materials I give to you. And this is what I'm going to focus most of my attention on today, is going over this right here, this Buddhism PDF. But you're going to answer these 7 questions. Then you'll watch this short video and answer this one question with some bullet points. Then you'll look at this website and you'll answer this question. Now, in order for us to do this, the first thing I want you to do is look at this slideshow. And the first thing we're going to look at is this idea that Buddhism is the 4th largest religion in the world. About 1 billion people are Buddhist. It is a religion, but it's also known as a philosophy, and we can kind of discuss that. One of the major symbols you're going to see is this wheel of life, and it represents the Eightfold Path, and there's some distinctions and things we can talk about when we get to it. Buddha was founded by Siddhartha Gautama, and he was a prince shielded from all suffering by his parents. And there's a story that I'll share in class where he basically sees something and he realizes there are 3 truths in life. Everyone gets old, everyone gets sick, and everyone dies. After seeing suffering, this was kind of sad, isn't it? Old, sick, dies. That's like terrible, right? But that's what it took Siddhartha seeing to realize that he needed to dedicate his life to ending suffering. So he meditated under a sacred tree, and then when he awoke, he became known as Buddha. So Buddha and Siddhartha are the same person, but Buddha means the enlightened one. He understood the 4 noble truths, right? And this leads to the Eightfold Path, which leads you to Nirvana, which is a divine awakening. And you have to understand that suffering exists, there's a cause for suffering, and there's an end to suffering. To end one's suffering, you must follow the Eightfold Path. So when you look at the Eightfold Path, these reduce into elements like wisdom, ethical conduct, and mental development. I want you to stop and think about the IB learner profiles. And when we look at those, principled, knowledgeable, understanding, caring, risk taker, those are all things that fold into the idea of how do we become a good person? How do we be the best person we can be? And according to Buddhism, you must follow the Eightfold Paths. Some of the main ideas are peace with others, harmony with harmony with nature. I was reading the next line. In fact, it's the opposite of harmony with money, but it's leading a simple life. It doesn't require priests or gods, and anyone can achieve it through following the Eightfold Path. I'd like you to read about the spread of Buddhism and the Dalai Lama on your own. Unfortunately, this video does not work, but I am going to have you go to the Dalai Lama's official website to look at that. You're going to choose an article on your own to read, then summarize. This is the quick video you'll watch. It's only 2.5 minutes, but pay close attention because I do ask you to pick out some bits of information from that. So this is the slideshow. All of the activities are linked here. Email Mr. O'Neill questions or stay in the Zoom while you work and put your questions right into the chat. I hope this explains everything for today, and let me know if you have any questions, comments, concerns, or needs. Love you. Bye-bye.